Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we will play a fun math game called Guess the Right Answer. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at the question carefully. 8 minus 3 minus 2 equals. Can you guess the correct answer? Here are the options. 1, 3, 5, maybe 2. Think carefully. The correct answer is 3. Let's solve it step by step. 8 minus 3 equals 5, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Great job if you guessed the right answer. Look at the question carefully. 5 minus 1 minus 2 equals. Can you guess the correct answer? Here are the options. 5, 3, 4, maybe 2. Think carefully. The correct answer is 2. Let's solve it step by step. 5 minus 1 equals 4, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Great job. Look at the question carefully. 7 minus 5 minus 1 equals. Can you guess the correct answer? Here are the options. 4, 1, 3, maybe 2. Think carefully. The correct answer is 1. Let's solve it step by step. 7 minus 5 equals 2, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Great job. Look at the question carefully. 9 minus 3 minus 4 equals. Can you guess the correct answer? Here are the options. 2, 4, 5, maybe 3. Think carefully. The correct answer is 2. Let's solve it step by step. 9 minus 3 equals 6, 6 minus 4 equals 2. Great job. Look at the question carefully. 6 minus 2 minus 4 equals. Can you guess the correct answer? Here are the options. 3, 1, 0, maybe 2. Think carefully. The correct answer is 0. Let's solve it step by step. 6 minus 2 equals 4, 4 minus 4 equals 0. Great job if you guessed the right answer. Did you enjoy this math quiz? Keep practicing and you will become a math champion. See you in the next quiz. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.